Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. Don't worry about getting the movements perfect, just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image. You can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together, or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, taking a few breaths in and out. Just breathing in and breathing out, arriving in the body. Just coming into the present moment. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment. Let it out with a big sigh, just letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front, gathering in the energy, bring it into the heart, and then down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in and breathing out. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, sink the chi, grounding the energy. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front, then the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up like mist from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain, opening the door. Just adding in some gentle movements to start our flow. One more time, open the door. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. And then this time, if you like, you can do a side bend, but always easing in, nice and soft. One more time, connecting sky and earth. Then the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner, the dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation. Pushing to the corner, one more time. And then from here, round out in front, hugging the tree, and soften. From here, the palms face each other in front of the heart. And as you breathe in, the hands open slightly. As you breathe out, they come back towards each other. Breathing in, open a little bit more. Coming back towards each other. This time, big open, big breath. Accordion breathing. We'll do another round, starting off small, and then a little bit bigger, and then big open, big breath. One more round, accordion breathing, starting small, then a little bit bigger, big open, big breath. And then from here, we'll round out and hug the tree right out in front. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the palms face up as we gather the seeds. Then we'll plant the seeds into the earth. The hands come down the center, softening down. The hands brush out to the sides, coming back up the center to gather some more seeds, and then planting them into the earth. Breathing in, breathing out, or taking a few breaths if you need to. One more time, planting seeds. And then this time, circle the hands all the way around in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then shift all your way over to one side. Draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in. And then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Shifting back as you draw in. And then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time. Pushing the mountain. And then this time as you push out, the fingers point backwards, so reversing direction, sending the energy back. And then circle out and around, like you're hugging the tree, and then send the hands back. The backward spirals, spiraling the arms, out and away. One more time. The backward spirals. And then from here, hug the tree, bring it right out in front, shift all your weight over, draw the hands in towards the heart, step in, step out to the corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Feeling all the sensations that you can. Moving mindfully. One more time, pushing the mountain. And as you push out, then reverse direction. The fingertips point behind as you shift the energy back. Going back out in front, the backward spirals. Spiraling the arms back. And then opening. Breathing in. Breathing out one more time, the backward spirals. And then from here, we'll hug the tree right out in front. Step the front foot back in. Shift all your weight over and step in. Step out to the corner, and as you step out, the arms open, the front knee bends. Then shift the weight back, the front knee straightens, cross the wrists, hinging at the hips, the arms float out to the sides. Then cross the wrists again, shift forward, front knee bends, the arms open, the butterfly. Keeping the spine nice and long. You don't have to go very low. Crossing the wrists and open, one more time on this side, the butterfly. Take a bow, spread the wings. Cross the wrists and open. This time step the front foot back in, hug the tree, shift all your weight over and step in, step out to the other corner, and as you step out, the arms open, the front knee bends. Front knee straightens, cross the wrists, hinging from the hips, keeping the spine long, the arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again, front knee bends, shift forward and open. It's like we're accepting and receiving and then bowing in gratitude. Cross the wrists, shift forward and open. One more time, the butterfly. Take a bow, flutter the wings. Cross the wrists and open. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. How much can you let go as we learn to move like water? Soft but powerful. One more time, the fountain. Breathing in, breathing out. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree. From here, the arms open wide. Then this hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Then the top hand goes behind the back, just for now. Step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. And then circle it around again, toss away, as if you could toss the moon. This time the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon. Bottom hand floats up, just like you were. The other hand pushes down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. As long as you're moving, I'm happy. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, parting the wild horse's mane. This time the bottom hand comes up, the wrists cross. The arms float down as you circle out and around and then back up top, crossing the wrists. Circle it around again, the princess on the mountaintop. And just coming up as much as you can comfortably, one more time. Breathing in, breathing out, and then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, the arms open, and this hand scoops under, step in, catch the moon. Top hand goes behind the back. Step out to the corner. The bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. Circle it around again, toss away. This time the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon. Bottom hand floats up, the other hand floats down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos. The calm within the storm. One more time. This time the bottom hand comes up, the wrists cross, the arms float down, circling out and around, back up top to the mountain peak. Circle it around again, the princess on the mountaintop. One more time, breathing in, breathing out, and then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, the hands turn, one hand on top of the other. The bottom hand drops down, toss away. The hand waves in towards the heart and then moves forward, Other side, toss away. The hand waves in and then moves forward, repulsing the monkey, calming the monkey mind. All right, one more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time both hands drift over to the side, the hands float down, and they drift up to shoulder height. And then switching sides. This time the palms face away. The hands drift across the horizon and then down. Floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. It's like you're making nice gentle brush strokes with the hands. One more time. Drift across. This time the arms float all the way up and over like a big wave, the Chen circles. And just coming up as much as you can comfortably, letting go of striving, just being here is enough. One more time on this side, Chen circles. And then reverse direction with the arms, floating up to shoulder height, palms face away, the hands drift across the horizon. And then down, floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms float up and over, the Chen circles, opening the shoulders, lubricating the joints, creating freedom of movement. One more time, Chen circles. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here drops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions, and they float across like clouds in the sky. The hands switch again, wave hands like clouds, softening the shoulders, the neck, the face, and the eyes. Soften the jaw, creating relaxation in the body and mind. We'll drift across a few more times like a moving meditation. One more time, wave hands like clouds. And then both hands float down, circle all the way around in front, hugging the tree. Breathing in, the arms open. Breathing out, the fingertips drift towards each other. The hands float down and then pressing behind. Then the palms face forward as you scoop under, bringing the hands all the way up and over and then down in front of the body. Scooping under, gathering in the energy, gather in the breath. Let it wash through the body, the bathing breath, as if we're bathing in this healing energy, giving us healing and vitality. Breathing in, breathing out one more time, the bathing breath. Then the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Creating focus and clarity and relaxation. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over just as much as you can comfortably. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball right in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. Then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body, Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can float down by the sides, taking a moment to notice how you feel. And then you can continue to stand, or you can have a seat for your poem of the day. All right, so today's poem is one that I made called A Season of Compassion. When flames have passed and skies turn gray, together we rise to find our way. Through loss and grief, our hearts align, a shared resolve, a love that shines. In every hand that offers aid, in every step that hope has made. Through trials faced, our spirits show, compassion's light will always glow. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch our flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony, 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.